Will you press the button? Like, comment, and subscribe? You have 20 out of 20 in all your tests, but your browser history is made public. You gain all of Bruce Wayne's wealth, but you also gain all of Batman's enemies. You will have the ability to learn any language, but you will never be able to speak your native tongue. You get the entire knowledge of everything, but you can never tell it to someone else. You can be with the person you love for the rest of your life, but you will not be financially stable. You can teleport, but you lose your legs.